Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast outside Piazza de Cisternone. Really cool building here. Some older architecture with pillars, and up ahead a big domed area that's opened. I don't see public access to this building, but can walk by and get some nice shots. See, it's locked. There are some doors here, but gates with a lock, and some plaques up ahead in between these pillars. This is right next to a street side area, so could get a little bit up with the extendable stick and see the dome up top. Pretty cool. See squares or rectangles in the center, some extra detail. And coming down on the top of these pillars, see what looks to be more pillars notched in. And coming back down below, some stairs at the base as well. Some flowers growing out of those. It's an older building. You could tell it's worn with time. Some more of the plaques up top. You can see restaurants, bars, and looks to be a newer apartment complex right across the street. Very new. So really nice architecture in this area. The newer buildings, you see balconies, will look to be bricks in between. On this side of the street looks to be a religious building and a large clock tower. Down below, what looks to be a dog park. I saw various dogs walking through as I was setting up the camera. No entry into this side either, and this part is locked. But see a park bench, see a trail on this side, see one in the back, maybe a golden retriever, and a little bit of a fence. So you can get a little bit up. There's one. There's one approaching, jumping up. Hopefully not at me at the fence, but seems to be looking for something. I don't know what's happening there, but you can see the dog off to the side and coming back and further towards the park. But can't see too much now with all the trees. But there's the one dog coming back. And we'll see ahead another view of the streets, and we'll get another view of this building that we saw earlier. See the pillars from the side and the older architecture. So a really nice place here in Livorno off of the Emerald Princess cruise ship. Get a 360 view of this area, the dog park, the older structure, and some of the newer apartments. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.